showing now how to factor by grouping. So usually ginagawa to kapag 4 terms, and I guess nakakita din ako na 6 terms or basta higher than 3 terms. So that trinomial. Okay? Para ma-factor natin by grouping, syempre, from the word itself, mag-group tayo. And then, mag-group tayo na kung saan pwede siyang, kapag 4 terms, kagaya ng nandiyan sa whiteboard, is pwede natin i-group by 2 binomials or by a trinomial and perfect square yung isang term na matitira. Okay? So, ang unang gagawin natin is to check kung meron bang perfect square trinomial na terms. So, trinomial ba? Meron bang perfect square trinomial? Kasi kung wala, we just group it by binomials. So, pwede rin namang i-rearrange kung sa tingin nyo yung unang dalawa at unang huli ay walang pareho. Okay. So, let's group. At dahil lahat sila ay positive, so ganito lang yung grouping. So, 6xy plus 8x plus 9y plus 12. Okay. After natin i-group, ang susunod na gagawin is we will be getting the GCF. So, ang GCF ng 6 and 8 is 2. Sa xy and x is x. And then, divide na natin. So, 6xy divide 2x will give us 3y plus 8x divide 2x will give us 4. And then, ang GCF naman ng 9y and 12 is 3. And then, this is 3y plus 4. Okay, so nangyayari ito sa factoring by grouping na kung saan makakakita kayo na may GCF ulit sila, which is ito and then ito. Okay, and then let's get again our GCF, so which is 3y plus 4, and then yung other factor, hali I remember may ganitong given sa factoring, common monomial factoring, na kung saan ganito na yung given. So this is the concept. Yun. Then yung other factor natin is 2x plus 3. So that is an example kapag 2 binomials yung ating given. So this is another example, and as you can see, wala akong makitang perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial, the first term and the third term is a perfect square, and then the middle term is twice the product of the square root of the first term and the second term. So wala naman, ang square lang ay ito. So ibig sabihin wala tayong PSC dito, so probably we will be having a group of 2 binomial. Okay, so I will not be arranging it kasi may pareho naman sa, let's see, I guess meron namang pareho yung first term and second term as well as the third and fourth term. Okay, ngayon, dahil negative to, so negative divide negative is positive, kaya maging positive na si 2mx. And then positive divide negative will give us negative mn. So nangyayari po yun, nag-change po yung sign ng nasa dulo kapag po ito ay negative. And then we will do again yung GCF. So let's see ano bang GCF dito. X is 2x minus n, and then while the common here is m, so we have 2x minus n. So yan, GCF lang. And as you can see, pareho ulit ito as well as ito. So that is again a GCF, 2x minus n, and then while the other factor is x minus n. Another example, let's check if there is a perfect square trinomial kasi meron tayong mga squares. So, yung hint ko kapag factoring by grouping. I am checking kung may mga squares and then I will be checking if there is a perfect square trinomial. So, perfect square to and ito. So, this is not a perfect square trinomial kasi hindi naman to trinomial. And then ito yung perfect square, ito din ang perfect square. And then when we get this, when we get the twice the product of the square root of this and this, it will give us 2yz. So ibig sabihin itong tatlong to ay ang perfect square trinomial. So bago pa tayo mag factoring by grouping, dapat you are already familiar with the perfect square trinomial. So let's factor this trinomial. So ang case na to, nasa dulo yung tatlong perfect square trinomial. Minsan kasi nasa unahan. Okay, so dahil minus 2, so it will be positive y squared, and then this will become negative 2yz, and this will become positive z squared. Okay, and then kapag ganito yung case natin, let's first write this into a square of binomial. So x squared minus, sulat natin ng square of binomial to y minus z. Okay, so kapag nagganyan tayo, this is DTS or DOTS, difference of two squares. So ang mangyayari, magkakaroon tayo ng x plus y, x minus y pattern kasi difference of two squares na to. And since naka-parenthesis to, I will just be using bracket. Kasi nga DTS. Y minus z. At dahil minus yung inuna ko, dito naman ay plus na, we still have y minus z. So that is how you factor if we have a perfect square trinomial. Last example for factoring by grouping. And dahil nga may perfect square akong nakita, ay i-check natin kung may perfect square trinomial tayo. So let's see. Perfect square to and ito perfect square. And then let's see the square root of this and this times natin sa 2. So 3x times 2y is 6xy times 2 is 12xy. So this means that this is a perfect square trinomial. So we have 9x squared minus 12xy plus 4y squared. And then minus 1. Pinarenthesis ko lang, pwede namang hindi na po. And then factor na natin to as a square of binomial. So this is 3x minus 2y, or rather the square of 3x minus 2y. And then ito, sulat ko na lang siya ng 1 square. Then, that is just my technique para ma-remind ako na ito ay DTS. So let's factor it as DTS. So we have 3x minus 2y plus, yung square root nito is 1. And another is 3x minus 2y, dahil plus kanina, minus 1 naman ngayon. So I prefer na ganyan na lang yung final answer. So that is how you will factor a factoring by grouping.